Hey everybody, this is Axel Beer here with a quick walkthrough on how to load up bar files very easy and wirelessly between a BlackBerry 10 phone and a PlayBook. And this process goes either way. Of course, many of you have probably used localbar 2 in the past. Well, lo and behold, localbar 2 will also work on BlackBerry 10. It worked for me on 10.1, and it still works for me on 10.2.1. I can't remember the rest of the numbers. So, do a quickie right here. One of the tricks is if you're going to be sending a bar file to your playbook from your Q10, it has to be on internal storage. It cannot be stored on the SD card. So without further ado, here we go. You can see I have localbar 2 right here loaded up. And I'm going to launch that. And for the purpose of this, I've actually added one bar file to my local storage, which is TubeMate. And although you do not have to enable development mode on your BlackBerry 10 device, it must be enabled on whichever device is receiving the bar file. So if you're sending them from Playbook to Q10, for example, I'm not sure what my focusing issue is here. There we go. So if you're sending something from your Playbook to a Q10, the Q10 has to be in development mode. If you're sending the file from the Q10 to the Playbook, then the Playbook has to be in development mode. For the purpose of this, because I hadn't decided which way I was going to go yet, I have them both in development mode, so there's no problems going back and forth either way. And basically, it's just seamless that way. So we're going to get started on this. I'll wake up my, there we go. So you can see I have localbar on here as well. But for putting things on here, we don't actually need it. So I'm going to close everything, back to the home screen, and we'll wake up to Q10. And the print is very small because this application, albeit very good, was designed for a large screen in mind, so it takes a little bit of time. You need to make sure that your remote address matches the one on the playbook. So you can see right here I've got 192.168.1.118. And here you'll find the same thing. Okay? As long as those match up, you're good to go. And make sure you have the other device on the far right here selected. That other device is going to be the playbook. So now we've highlighted it in blue, and I'm just going to hit install. And it's going to go through it. And it's almost done. We'll see if it pops up there. The waiting game. And there we go. So there you have it. Very easy, very simple. This goes both ways, so whichever device you store your bar files on, you really only have to keep it on one, and then it's very easy to just send it wirelessly to the other. TubeMate. Man, I need to get a better camera. Of course, you have to accept all the lovely permissions. I do have a copy of this that is faulty, so hopefully that's not the one I just loaded up. So we're not going to spend any more time waiting, so I apparently loaded up the wrong build. But that's okay. I mean, you can see there's other things I've loaded on here, Google Latitude Maps. And everything on this page, almost entirely, has come from a source outside of BlackBerry World, so there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. I very much appreciate it. And as always, this is Axel Beer signing out. And don't forget, it's all of our jobs to save the playbook. Everybody have a very good Monday morning, afternoon, Tuesday, whatever time it is in your place of the world. See ya.